I just can't wait to be king.
Oh my God. My God.
Everybody look left. Everybody look right.
Don't worry.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Jump over me. Don't you jump over me. Jump over me. ACJ, car 14 crashed. There's 2 cars in the water. There's 2 cars in the water.
There's 2 cars in the water. Right here.
And the power's out of BRIO City. Look.
Oh my gosh, and we lost power.
Welcome to Liam's Chain Time.
Today?
Yeah.
Liam, what are we building?
A city.
A city today. Okay. So we have our BRIO accessories, we have our trains, we have our tracks. Let's do this, kiddo.
Put this
Okay. You want to start with the stations?
over here. And I have an idea.
Yeah.
What about if this could go right here, and on top?
Ooh, that's a good idea. Did you want to lay out all the stations first? Or how do you want to do that? Oh, that's smart. That's smart. So this station and tunnels, all the bridges, collapsing bridge. There you go. So this way it's easy for you to get those, okay? These things. Tunnel.
Oh, I need a longer one, actually.
It's okay. There you go. These bridges. And these are all of our accessories that we have to work with.
I need 4 big turns.
4 big turns. Come in, we'll light it up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
I spy something that doesn't belong.
I think we can continue on the upper level.
Upper levels. Do you want to do one of these? Collapsing bridge?
All the bridges.
Oh. Like big turns here. Oh, hold on. You got to turn this around. And turn this around, yeah. So it can connect. There you go. So where do you want to go? You want to just start with here? So do you want, don't forget, we have all these too. The hill, these things.
I need little turns.
Oh, you want little turns? There you go. Do you want a hill now, or what do you want to do?
A hill.
Okay. And then more little turns. You do need one of these.
Yes.
There you go. Nice.
Oh.
That's okay. We'll figure out how to get there. Nice. Nice. I think you might need like a little piece here.
Ooh.
No, you're also, yeah, I was like, you're gonna need something else too.
Found one.
Oh, good. Okay. Awesome. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really good.
And then we need to.
Oh yeah, and then you gotta go on
Big
that
turns.
side. You want 2 big turns? Uno. Dos. Do you want a station over here? Maybe we'll do
No, a switch track over here.
a switch,
And then
a switch track. Oh, that's fun. Like always have trouble clearing it.
oh no.
Oh, it's okay. You got to do one of those and then stuff like that. There you go. There you go. And then you need, what do we need here? Like a small piece? You know what? What if we did this? Let's put the longer side over here.
Yeah. But that would still be tight.
Well, with the little one, we can be, there you go. See how it's a little looser? Maybe that's all we had to do. Okay. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Okay, Liam, this is looking so good. Where to next? Do you think you need another one of these here?
No, I mean, but I want
Or over here?
to.
Because we have this.
Over here.
Okay. It turns.
Yeah, I got it.
These. Big one?
Or it can lead over here.
Oh, I see. Okay. This is creative. We just need straightaways and another knob. Does it fit okay? Because you might need one of these.
Okay, it fits.
Okay. That's a cool figure 8.
Oh, no.
That's what you were trying to connect to. There you go. There you go. See? Now, yeah, back up for a sec.
I know the turn. Oh, no. That's not what I wanted.
I think you're
But
getting
it's
there.
okay.
Yeah, you got it. And then maybe a medium.
Okay. We're almost done.
We're almost done. That's a quick build.
Ah,
Wow.
we're done.
Is there anything else you want to expand on? What about the roads? Do you want to put these roads anywhere?
Yes.
Just got to figure out the right place to fit them. Does this one fit over there? Or maybe you could do. I don't know. It doesn't work. Oh, what about you? You do that one or put this one here? Like this. There you go. These pieces. There you go. There we go.
What are you doing?
Put in the crosswalk here so they can get to the station. Do you want to put the where does the bus and train stop go?
Maybe.
There you go. Well, that's a good idea. That is a great idea.
Oh, it's great.
It is good because you can, because of this,
Yes.
right? Because you can go this way, up and around. You can go this way and around and down, or go this way, or go back this way, and then go this way, and then go that way.
It's great because of that.
Yep. Yeah. Because of these pieces, these are like the MVPs of BRIO tracks. This looks so good, Liam. I love it. And so what does this tell us?
So that the cars can stop when the trains are coming.
Got it. So that turns on and these things will go down. Gotcha. What does this sign tell us?
That there's a light coming
A light coming.
over here.
Oh, these lights.
And there's another one of those.
So what does this light tell us?
Stop. Slow down.
Do we need
stop.
batteries for that one? I just want to see this go around once.
So
Dune.
Train approaching special study station.
How fun. Okay, so we can decide. Let's go express. So we bypass the station, go through the tunnel, and then we're gonna go the other way. And this is where we change where we're headed. Oh no, the caboose. Ah, what happened? There we go. And then that's gonna go around. Okay, and that's our loop. And we'll have it stop at the passenger station this time. You know what I wish we had?
What?
Almost like a split track for 2-story tracks. You know?
Wait, like this? Is this what you're talking about?
Liam, this was such a good track. High five. Good job. Okay, let's get some trains out.
Another high five.
High five. Boom.
Humpty had right fall.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Is it like his trains? Like, is this Humpty Dumpty over here? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen to this train?
Jump. Wait,
Oh,
actually,
oh.
that's my train. Wait, actually, that's my train. Go this way.
You're going in the tunnel.
Jump, jump. It's a jump bit.
It's Chomp in the tunnel?
Yes.
Ay, ay, ay. What is that thing called in Super Mario? I don't know. Those like flower things that chomp you?
What's in here?
I don't know. That's our express route, and this is our local route. Where are you going? Where are you going with the train? Going back over here?
Black and slapping bridge.
The collapsing bridge. You looked all over it?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Let's find it. Let's do this together. I see it right here.
Oh, I did not see that.
It's okay.
He chopped in the bridge. So I didn't look under.
That's okay.
Chomp, chomp.
So this is our subway train that's part of our
Metro.
the BRIO Wooden Deluxe Set, right?
Yes. Don't worry.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yes. Jump over me. Don't you jump over me. Jump over me. ACJ, car 14 crashed.
Jump over me? How about you jump over me? Is that what we do? Cars flying?
The tracks.
No?
Because I'm not a super train and I don't have power. Rocket Daddy.
Oh no. We're jumping in the air?
Don't worry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Guys.
It's going Thomas. Thomas, let's move it.
What are you getting? Oh, is that Percy?
It's Percy. Percy's birthday. I'm going this way.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh my gosh, they just missed each other. They just missed each other, guys. Ay, ay, ay.
Some gas.
Need some of what?
I need some gas.
Some of what?
Gas? Wait a second. Actually, Blair could be the train and I could be the boat.
The boat? Where's the boat? Oh, there's the boat.
Hello, everybody. I hope this city is nice and clear. Ah! No.
To go where?
Look at me.
Oh no, what happened, Blair? What happened? We have loops.
What about this?
The upper level's a loop, the bottom levels are loops. Does that fit over there? No.
Where am I? I just want to fit it.
Are those the only small turns we use on the track?
Yes, we did.
So Liam, if you were to get rid of those two, so if you tried this right here, and you do small turns, like a small turn and a small turn, all you need is like small straightaways.
Watch out.
Just like two Okay?
It's just my
That
stomach.
fits. Your stomach made a noise?
Yes. Need some gas.
Gas? That's not gas. It's a freight car.
Actually, I don't want this here. Wait, I want this here.
Okay.
So it could be a
Oh.
double freight yard.
Yeah, big freight yard.
No, that's too long. Aha. Perfectly fit.
There you go. I just can't wait to be king.
Oh my god. My god.
Everybody look left. Everybody look right. Look, I'm in the spotlight.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Bye bye. Bye.
Oh, it's to attach it to some freight, right?
I joined the wrong loop.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I am the wrong loop. Who's got that? Wrong.
This little person?
Yes.
Where's the person gonna go?
Oh no, two persons are in the water.
You have to save them. Boat was there.
I'll bring you back to land. Here, let me bring you to a station. Where is the
Station?
To the sidewalk. Side station. Here, over here. Ow. Now I'm in the water. I saw it in my head too.
It's stuck in your head. Gas, you got the gas. Okay.
If you want to use the gas, it's over there.
Here you
Okay,
go.
after this, I need to rest my boat. Here you go.
Nice job, Blair.
Now you guys are not in the water anymore. Look, Daddy, they're not in the water.
That's good.
The outside,
That's good.
the outside of the track is the water. The
So
inside
this,
is not.
so all this is water.
Yes.
Okay.
And this part too.
So is this an island?
Yes.
Ah.
Island. You're welcome. Well, it's connected
Thanks,
to
freight
other-
train.
And it's not. And this is just not an island. It's connected to these mountains.
Oh, and there's
It's-
mountains in the back. Okay, that's
It's
nice.
called. It's called Kitchen Island.
Kitchen Island, I love it.
There's two cars in the water. There's two cars in the water.
There's two cars in the water. Right here.
And the power's out of BRIO City. Look,
Oh my gosh, and we lost power.
look. All
So-
the signs are knocked down.
All the signs are knocked down.
So
So,
there's two missions.
so what do we have to do?
I will save it. One is in water and one is on land.
This boat is gonna save it.
I'm also gonna save the power. And there's also no power on my boat.
No power on your boat?
Yes.
Oh no. How's the boat moving?
I don't know.
Mhm.
It's powerful.
So what? So these trains are in the water because of the collapsing bridge?
Oh. Thank you, train.
Oh, okay. That's just great.
Thank you. Now let's fix the power.
How do you fix
In
the
order
power?
to fix the power, we have to put the signs. Let's put this sign.
Okay.
That means the power is
Restored?
yes.
Do you know what restored means?
No.
It means to like come back, to go back to how it was.
My train works. Now all the powers work.
Yay! Are all the signs fixed?
No, not all of them. But that doesn't mean there's no power. And those signs. And that sign. Now.
Great job, BRIO Boatman. I like to call this person the James Bond. Bond.
Santa Claus.
James Bond. Da-na, da-na, na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Da-na, da-na, na, na, na.
I can't find